The SHS Taiwan Trip Line group is exclusively designed for students, parents, teachers, and trip organizers. It serves as a dedicated communication platform during our time in Taiwan. Main objectives of the line group: facilitate real-time communication. The line group facilitates instant communication, enabling organizers to promptly share vital messages, reminders, or updates. This ensures that participants have immediate access to crucial information. Share daily activity highlights. Participants utilize the group to share daily activity highlights, including snapshots, photos, and significant announcements. This feature allows everyone to stay informed about the day's schedule and event highlights efficiently. Streamline information sharing. The group serves as a convenient platform for sharing itinerary details, locations, contact information, and other essential particulars. This seamless exchange of information between organizers and participants ensures smooth coordination and enhances overall event experience. This ensures smooth information exchange between organizers and participants. After clicking, scan this QR code to join our line group. Scan the QR code to join. If you haven't downloaded Line yet, we provide a video and PDF guide on how to download Line. This group is specifically for students and parents. Parents, please add your child's name after your own. We will share important updates, daily activity photos, and videos in this group.